Are you looking for the best garage door openers? In this video we will look at some of the best garage door openers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Chamberlain Garage Door Opener. The Chamberlain Garage Door Opener is on the top of our list because it's a smart garage door opener that comes with a security camera that streams live video, so you know who's entering and leaving your garage. It's heavy-duty and features a 0.75 horsepower belt-driven motor that can handle steel and double-car garage doors. The motor also makes it the best choice for attached garages because it's a lot quieter than chain-driven openers. To open your garage, use the remote control, there are 2 included, or the motion-detecting wall panel. There are also safety sensors that halt door movement if something gets in the way. It works with Amazon Key so delivery workers can let themselves in your garage and deliver your packages. Plus, it has built-in LED lights to light up your garage when you're inside. The app allows you to set up guest profiles for up to 5 users. This is handy in cases where you need to let repairmen or dog walkers in your garage. It gives them limited access, which means they're able to open and lock the garage door but won't be able to see your previous history, notifications, or schedules. The camera connects to Bluetooth and supports 2-way audio. However, the output tends to be delayed, which could make it hard to have a conversation. To record security footage, you'll need to pay for a video storage subscription with the Chamberlain's Mic app. You have the choice to pay a $9.99 monthly fee, which gives you access to 30-day history, or a $3.99 per month for 7-day video history. With both options you can share or download videos. However, if you prefer to not have a plan, you can still view its live streaming feed for free. The Chamberlain comes with a 1-week free trial for all users. Product details: dimensions, 27.25 by 13.13 by 9.94 inches, opener type, belt drive, lifting capacity, 0.75 horsepower, power source, electric, smart features, live feed, remote access, status notifications, shared access. At number 2. Skylink Chain Drive Garage Door Opener. Most experts agree that a garage door opener with a half horsepower motor is exactly what you need to open a single or double car garage doors. That's why we highly recommend this 1/2 HP Adams chain drive garage door opener as the best garage opener you can get on a budget. Even though it doesn't have as many bells and whistles as pricier models, it's still a practical option. Like other smart garage door openers, you can control your garage right from your smartphone. On top of that, it integrates with If This Then That, and links to other smart devices, such as Amazon Echo and Google Nest, for additional functions. For example, when it's connected to Google Nest, the garage door will automatically open if carbon monoxide is detected. It also allows you to issue voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. There is only one remote, but you can program it to work with your car remote, too. It comes with patented anti-break-in technology and a remote control that has a passcode for extra security. You'll love that as soon as you enter, bright LED lights automatically switch on to light up your path. You also don't have to worry about power outages because this opener comes with an emergency battery backup. This garage door opener works with most standard 7-foot garage doors. If your garage door is over 7 feet, you'll have to buy an extension rail kit, sold separately. There are also models with bigger motors if you need something more powerful. Product details: dimensions, 27.5 by 4.5 by 8 inches, opener type, chain drive, lifting capacity, 0.5 horsepower, power source, electric, battery backup, smart features, Alexa, Google Assistant, automation, shared access. At number 3. LiftMaster Elite 8500W. If you don't want a hunk of metal taking up space on your garage ceiling, this wall-mounted LiftMaster Elite 8500W is the best option for you. Unlike overhead garage door openers, it is easy to install and can be up and running in under 10 minutes. It also comes with extra security functions and a downloadable smart app. Not to mention, you can get delivery services right to your garage through Amazon Key. In terms of security, we like that the LiftMaster features rolling codes or new codes every time you click the fob. This makes it almost impossible for criminals to hack and open your door because of the unlimited code combinations. Also, for extra safety, the garage door has an automatic deadbolt system, which automatically locks once the door is closed. With this garage door opener, you get remote access so you can open and close the door and control the garage lights via the app when you're not there. In addition, the opener has a battery backup, which comes in handy if the power goes out. The motor is super quiet and hardly makes vibrations, so it's a great option if your garage is attached to your home. While the app notifies you of the door's status, it lacks a camera, so you can't see who's there. Product details, dimensions, 7.5 by 21.5 by 7.9 inches, opener type, wall-mounted, lifting capacity, 850 pounds, power source, electric, backup battery, smart features, remote access, remote lighting control. At number 4. iSmartGate Garage Door Opener. The iSmartGate Pro allows you to upgrade your existing garage door opener to a smart garage door opener just by connecting its hub and sensors to what you already have. It integrates seamlessly with any other smart device you may have, as it can run on various smart home platforms, including Apple HomeKit, IFT, Google Home, and Amazon Echo. Using this device is convenient because you're able to control and monitor your garage door from any location. You can also open and close it at specific times, which is handy if you leave your home for work or school at set times. It's also good for security because you can set it to automatically close at night, in case you forget. In the event you lose internet connection, the iSmartGate Pro can still open and close your garage door. Just be aware that you won't be able to access its smart features until you're back online. One feature that sets it apart from other garage door openers is that you can program it to play any song of your choosing as it opens or closes the garage door. The opener also has temperature sensors to monitor how hot or cold your garage gets. This makes it the best garage door opener to use if you want to store items that are sensitive to temperature fluctuations, like paint or food. While you don't need a subscription to use the garage door opener's basic functions, you do have to pay if you want to access the camera and video features. For $30, you can buy a video plugin subscription which is good for 3 years. Product details, dimensions, 4.3 by 4.3 by 1.1 inches, opener type, smart accessory, connects to any existing opener, lifting capacity, not applicable, power source, electric, smart features, remote access, status notifications, temperature alerts, voice assistant, video monitoring. At number 5. Genie Ultra Quiet Garage Door Opener. When you want to use your ceiling space for storage, or don't want a cluttered look, why not ditch the traditional belt and chain garage door opener and go for a wall-mounted one instead? This wall-mounted Genie is the best wall-mounted model for heavy lifting. It handles doors up to 18 feet wide and 850 pounds. We also appreciate that it's specifically designed for DIY installation, so it's easy to get going even if you've never used one before. On top of that, it's a smart opener that offers wireless operation once you connect it to Genie's Aladdin Connect app. You also have the option to use voice commands to control it via Alexa and Google. This Genie comes with a backup power source that lasts for up to 50 cycles. This means you'll never be stuck inside or outside in case of a blackout. To make it more secure, it features an automatic deadbolt lock that you can lock remotely for extra protection. Plus, it's super quiet, making it one of the best choices if your living space is near or right above the garage. The only thing we noticed is that although the lights automatically come on when you open the garage door, it lacks a manual switch to turn them off. Product details, dimensions, 6.8 by 14.5 by 9 inches, opener type, wall-mounted, lifting capacity, 850 pounds, power source, electric, battery backup, smart features, voice control, remote access, smart device integration. At number 6. Chamberlain B6713T Garage Door Opener. This Chamberlain garage door opener has built-in Wi-Fi and remote access features so you can control the garage with your smartphone. It comes with a heavy-duty 1.25 horsepower motor so it can easily lift extra heavy garage doors. Plus, you get 2 remote controls and a wall-mounted panel to open and close the door. For extra peace of mind, you can receive alerts on your phone to see if the door is open or closed through the Mic app. You can also sync it with other devices and platforms, or set up schedules to close your garage door or turn off lights at certain times. Another nice feature is that it works with Amazon Key to have your packages delivered inside your garage to keep them safe, if you choose to. In terms of performance, the Chamberlain offers tons of value. It's super quiet and won't make noise, plus comes with a motion-activated security light that brightens your entire garage and will stay on as long as you're inside. This isn't the best model to spring for if you want video footage. If a security camera is what you need, then we recommend that you look at other options on this list. Product details, dimensions, 27.25 by 9.94 by 13.13 inches, opener type, belt drive, lifting capacity, 1.25 horsepower, power source, electric, battery backup, smart features, remote access, remote monitoring, alerts, automation, Amazon Key-in. At number 7. Beam UP Overhead Garage Door Opener. Beam Up offers a chain-drive garage door opener that is powerful and relatively inexpensive compared to other models on this list. It features a 0.75 horsepower motor, which is strong enough to lift single and double doors up to 7 feet tall. But if your doors are higher than 7 feet, you'll have to buy an extension kit for 8-foot or 10-foot doors separately. We like that this model's design makes it easy to open the garage when it's dark. It has a built-in 1500 lumen LED security light that brightens up your garage as soon as the door is opened. Additionally, the wall control is wide and features easy-to-use push buttons. The remote control has dual burst technology, which allows you to open and close the door in under 1 second. It's also a smart model, so you'll get notifications on your phone if the door is open or closed. Plus, it integrates with Alexa, HomeLink, IFT, and Apple with no subscription fee. Overall, it's the best option if you need a smart yet basic option. Though, it would have been nice if it came with an emergency backup battery. Product details, dimensions, 10 by 12 by 8 inches, opener type, chain drive, lifting capacity, 3/4 horsepower, power source, electric, smart features, voice control, notifications, smart platform integration. At number 8. Genie Smart Garage Door Opener. If the screeching sound from your garage door drives you up the wall, a quiet option like the Genie 7155 TKV is the best garage door opener for you. Although it's equipped with a powerful DC motor, it is surprisingly a lot quieter than other options due to its steel-reinforced belt. However, the garage door should be balanced before installation, an important factor for all garage doors to open and close smoothly if you want the sound to remain low. You can test the balance of a garage door on your own by lifting it up and observing if it drops down. If your door is balanced, it will stay put. There is also a soft start feature that allows the opener to start and stop smoothly, which makes the motor last longer and stay quiet in the process. With this model, you can use your smartphone and Genie's free Aladdin app to monitor and control your garage door. Alexa and Google Assistant are built in for voice commands. The system includes 2 remotes that you can use up to 26 feet away, a wireless keypad, and a wall console. You can also create virtual keys for anyone you want to enter your garage. The Genie Garage Door Opener has a backup battery as well as a vacation lock, which shuts down your remote so there are no frequencies to hack. Product details, dimensions, 19.4 by 5 by 5 inches, opener type, belt drive, lifting capacity, 1.25 horsepower, power source, electric, backup battery, smart features, voice control, remote monitoring, remote access.